Good morning, student. Today we will discuss question on potential and dielectric strength, which is related with dielectric constant. Here we have a very simple question. If 100 volt of potential difference is applied between A and B, find the potential difference between C and D. To solve this question, suppose charge Q1 plus Q2 is given by the battery or by the positive terminal of battery, out of which Q1 will reside on C1 and Q2 on that of 2. C1, where is C1? C1 will be this and C2 will be this. And this is the battery. Batteries, we will apply battery here. So Q1, Q2 will go from this side. When Q1, Q2 will go from this side, Q1 will go this side and Q2 will go this side. So this Q2 will go here, this Q1 will come here, again this side Q1 plus Q2 charge. Like this. We will use Q equal to CV, and the battery is here, so 100 volt is here, so negative terminal is 0. At this point 0 potential, at this point 0 potential. So Q1 will be here, so Q1 will be C1V1, C1V. Here the capacity 6 microfarad, and the potential of this point is 100 and B point is at 0 potential. So the potential difference between these two will be 100 minus 0, that will be 600. Similarly, for capacitor number 2, Q equal to CV, 6 into 100 minus Vc. Here 100, here Vc. Then for capacitor C3, remember that capacitor 2, 3 and 4, the charge will be same because they are in series. Now Vc minus Vd will be the potential difference here. So Q3 will be 6 into Vc minus Vd. Then we will take these 2 points, D point and this point, Q4. So 6 into Vd minus 0, because this is at 0 potential. This point 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, here 0 potential. So Vd minus 0. So we have 4 equations by using Q equal to CV. On capacitor 2 and 3, charge remains same. So equating these two, we will get equation 5. Similarly, by using 3 and 4, we will get Vc equal to 2 Vd. And Vd will be equal to, if you put this Vc here, you will get Vd equal to 100 minus 3. Once we got Vd 100 minus 3, we will get Vc also, that will be 200 by 3. Therefore, the potential difference between Vc and Vd will be 100 by 3. Okay. Now we will see the next question. This is from NCERT. Here we have one quadrupole plus Q minus Q minus Q plus Q. And with the help of this quadrupole, calculate the potential at point P as shown in the figure. Given that R by A is greater than 1. We can consider an electric dipole maybe as a system of charges, 3 charges, Q minus Q minus Q, 2Q minus 2Q, and this is Q. And we have to calculate the potential at this point. This distance is R. This distance is R. This distance is R. This is A. This is A. So now potential due to this plus charge, Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R by A. Now due to this minus Q minus 2Q, what will be the potential at this point? 2Q upon 4 minus 2Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R, because this distance is R. What will be this distance? R minus A. So at this point, the potential due to plus Q charge, Q upon R minus 4 pi epsilon 0 R minus A. Last term. Then solve this. We will get Q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R minus A, R plus A, R minus A. Take LCM. You do in your notebook these terms you will get. Q into 2A square 4 pi epsilon 0 R cube. Now why this R cube? See here. If you take R square common from this, it will become R cube 1 minus A square by R square. Again, R by A is greater than 1. R is greater than A. So A square by R square will be 0. Therefore, this equation will become V equal to Q 2A square 4 pi epsilon 0 R cube. Or potential is inversely proportional to 1 by R cube. This result. So potential is 1 by 3 R cube for quadrupole, whereas for dipole it is 1 by R square. Now next is dielectric strength. The maximum electric field that a dielectric medium can withstand without breakdown, and that field is 3 × 10 to the power 8 volt per meter. And that means the charge will store between the two plates, and till the potential becomes, or electric field becomes 3 × 10 to the power 6. As soon as the charge becomes 3 × 10 to the power 6 volt, the charge will start leaking, and that is called the breakdown limit. For a capacitor to store large amount of charge without leaking, its capacity should be high enough. Okay, so that is the dielectric breakdown. This breakdown 3 × 10 to the power 6 volt. This is the maximum strength of electric field between the two plates of capacitor. Now you solve these questions. These are the questions from IIPT exam. This is also, and Thank you.